What is up, guys? I'm going to be showing you how to make a player model. And first, you're going to want to open Blender. You're going to want to click A. Then you're going to click X. And then you're going to want to click delete. After that, you want to do Shift A. And then you're going to go to mesh. You're going to want to do cube. You're going to go to this wrench symbol. You're going to do add modifier. You're going to do search up SUV. You're going to do subdivision surface. You're going to put this to 2. You're going to click tab to go into edit mode. You're going to select face mode. Go to this. You're going to want to select this face. And you can just drag this up like this. Then you're going to want to click tab to go into object mode. You're going to want to click this drop down. Do apply. Then you're going to do Shift D to duplicate this. And you're just going to click. You're not going to want to move it. You're going to go to the rotate tool. And you're going to rotate it. And then do this. Then you're going to want to scale it down. Then you're going to put one right here. Shift D. Don't move it. Move it just like that. Select these. Do Shift D. Move it this way. Now you're going to want to duplicate this. And then you're going to want to bring it up here as the head. And you're going to want to do this. Then you're going to want to duplicate this. Click S to scale it. And you want to put it as the hands. Then you want to click this. You're going to click tab to go into edit mode. You're going to select these faces by your control. Select this, and yeah. Then you're going to want to do right click, separate, selection. Then you're going to want to click tab. You're going to want to click this. You're going to do tab, and then you're going to select these faces, holding control. Then you want to click tab again, holding shift. You're gonna want to select your arms and hands, and you're gonna do Control P and do object. Then you're gonna click A, tab, A, UV editing. You're gonna click A. You're gonna do UV, unwrap, smart UV project, and then you're gonna do unwrap. Then so now you're gonna want to click this up here, and for let's say you want to do the face, you're gonna select your face. You're gonna go to your material. You're gonna click new, and then where it says base color, click that yellow dot, and do image texture right here. Then you're gonna want to click open, and then you're gonna go to get your image, and then as you can see, it might look like this. So you're gonna go to UV editing. You're gonna click A. And then using these tools, you're going to want to click S. And basically, you just want to rotate these and make it how you want it and mess around and stuff with it. So now after you have your face, you're going to want to select these. You're going to click new, new, new for everyone. Now you're going to select them to be image texture. Make sure on this you turn the roughness all the way up. Now you're gonna want to let's say select this. You're gonna do open, and then you're gonna get your fur texture. After you got your fur texture, if you like how it looks, or if you want this smaller, you go to UV editing. You're gonna click A, and then you're just gonna click S and scale it up. See, now it's smaller. But now, make sure you turn the roughness all the way up. But if you want it bigger, you're just going to want to scale it down just like that. So now you're going to do this with every individual thing. If you don't want this looking like this on the arms, you're going to select your arm. You're going to go to UV editing. You're going to click A. And you're going to scale it just like this. Then you're going to click S to scale it up. And then it looks better. See, now if you want your stomach to be a lighter type of fur, you can select another texture, or for an easier way, you're gonna want to get your fur texture and turn roughness all the way up, and then emission, you're gonna drop that down, and where it shows this. So you're gonna keep it all the way at white, and you're gonna turn up the strength, just like that. And now you're gonna want to click this X view, so it's just like this. You're gonna do Shift A, armature, and then you're gonna go to this little guy running. You're gonna do viewport display. You're gonna do in front. Now you're gonna drag this all the way down to like the butt. You're gonna click tab to go into edit mode, go to move mode, select this, drag this at the neck. You're gonna wanna click E to extrude and put this at the top of the head. Then you're gonna wanna click E and extrude it right here. And then you're gonna wanna click E again and put it right here. Click E another time, put it right here, and then click E again to put it right here. Then you're gonna wanna do the same thing for the other side. After that, you're gonna wanna make sure everything's in the right place. So I'll do the Z view, and then like this, I'll like put it exactly on where it meets. Same with the shoulders. And now you're gonna click tab to go into object mode. You're gonna select your armature. You're gonna do A, Control P, then you're gonna do with automatic weights. You're gonna go to pose mode, and you're gonna select this. You're gonna rotate it as I do. Now you can just do File, Export, FBX, name what you want. You have a fully rigged working player model.